Hello, Jamaica. How you doing, Jamaica? Jamaica feels good, Jamaica?
I don't think
Jamaica's all right, Jamaica? Okay, Jamaica.
Jamaica's still not talking to you, right? We're not talking to Dufton today.
Jamaica.
Hi, Duffy, how are you?
I'm good, Jamaica.
All right, welcome to Daytime Live. It's Friday, yes, and as you can see, I am joined again by my special guest host for the week, Dufton Shepherd.
This is where y'all make noise.
I don't know why I'm making that noise, but
Thanks, Nissan. You know, I always love co-hosting with you. It's great. Like we're in black and stuff.
black and black.
Yeah, I like
Want
it.
to
Like
go
black.
black, you
Hey,
can go
jingle
black.
bells, jingle bells.
So this is Black Friday, so we thought we'd bring you the black today. What do you guys think? Yeah, so they're shy today.
But
Okay,
all of y'all
right,
black.
all right.
So I mean, if you go,
So like if we have to clap one more time. So guys, don't forget to connect with us on our social media, Instagram and Twitter, which is at TVJ_Daytime Live. Also for Facebook is at TVJ Daytime Live.
and watch past performances, buzz, and chat on televisionjamaica.com.
But don't forget though, you can catch back episodes via onespotmedia.com. Okay, so let's talk about what's buzzing.
What's buzzing?
Now,
What's buzzing?
my babe people, wanna good?
You alright?
Wanna good, guys?
Good?
Oh gosh, wow. Downtown Montego Bay had some serious flooding on Wednesday. Now, the mayor of the city, Homer Davis, said that Montego Bay has not witnessed 3 to 4 hours of heavy rain in years. So if you missed it, guys, take a look at this video. Oh my goodness.
No,
Can
that's
you see
serious.
that? That's serious.
That's serious. Like
That's-
at one point, I'm sure Noah was like jump starting the ark, you know. But because of an old diesel engine,
Right.
you know,
Right. Yeah.
you know.
I
But
hear
no,
you.
it was serious though.
Yeah.
I mean, we had some heavy rains in Kingston and Montego Bay, as the mayor said, in 3 to 4 hours of constant rain.
Yeah.
And the entire
Heavy
place. Yeah.
rain.
Because I even heard of some persons who were like in a bank and the water broke like a window.
Yes, I read that
There were
too.
cars piling on top of cars. You know how high water has to be for one car?
To pile on top of the other car. How high?
How high?
How high?
Real high.
Real high. I hear you. No, I was surprised to see it. It was like, wow. When I saw it, I was like, where is that? That's not Jamaica.
But in a
Somebody was
Jamaica,
like, that's Mobile. I said, what do you mean, Mobile?
I'm really happy though. You heard no instance of anybody dying.
Yes.
That was really, really good, because
Yeah.
oftentimes when you hear a person of flooding, you know, somebody lost their lives or something, or somebody got washed
Yeah,
away. Nothing
yeah,
at all like that
that
happened.
didn't
Cars lost
Got
their
washed.
lives.
Well,
Yeah,
we don't know.
you
You gotta
understand?
dry them out and see what happens.
But
You never
you know,
know.
on a Jamaican standpoint, though, maybe they kind of want like a cooling still.
You think so? 'Cause
Yeah,
kinda
man,
hot?
them did that behave
Yeah.
like a badly little bit, you know.
Yes, and I know that we're making light of the incident somewhat,
Yeah.
just the cars and everything. But serious issue, like that kind of flooding. Like a lot of persons have been saying on social media that we really couldn't take like Irma. We couldn't take that. Like if that was to come here with what happened everywhere else, we would just sink.
No,
'Cause,
that's- I'm
boy,
glad Irma, Maria
our
just-
drainage systems are. We can't handle it. So I would like to know what are we doing? Like for the mayor of Mabay, like how do we now take preventative measures so that this doesn't happen again? What do we need to do, Mabay? Mr. Mayor, sir.
You just squeeze up your eyes and go, Mr. Mobay,
Mr. Mayor, sir, in Mabay. Because that's
I'm just
unacceptable
happy.
though. for
Mobay
the
residents, I'm happy that you know,
Everybody's okay.
Everybody is fine.
Yeah, and our thoughts are with you. Well, how can we help? Guys, think about your neighbors. Like, how can we help? What can we do? How can we get involved? Because we're doing things for other parts of the Caribbean, for example. Let's look at Jamaica here as
Yeah,
well.
they
Like,
can
what's
move.
happening in Mobay?
They can move like
Anywho, Mr. Duffy, yes.
American coffee franchise Starbucks opened its doors in Montego Bay. I think they're the Doctor's Cave Beach.
They are
Yeah, I know
indeed.
exactly where that is. I think I'm going to check it out. 15 more Starbucks stores are to open in the next 5 years in Jamaica. I mean, what do you think about that? How do you feel? Starbucks coming to Jamaica. It's a huge brand. It's a
Starbucks
global
coming
brand.
to Jamaica. Now,
Starbucks.
I love Starbucks.
Yes.
I
You're a
love the
drinker?
coffee. I love coffee. I love wine and coffee, two things. I don't need water. I don't need juice. Nothing. Just wine and coffee. I'm good to go.
No, man.
So,
Nisha, yeah. Look at water.
wine
Nisha,
and coffee.
man.
That's all I need. But the thing is, for me, I also love my Blue Mountain coffee. I love my Cafe Blue. I love my thing. I think it's kind of unnecessary, to be honest. And the fact that 15 more to be opened here, why? But
I would just love for them to incorporate as much Jamaican resources as possible. The Blue Mountain coffee, you know, of course, the people aspect of it. I would love to go into the Starbucks and see it Jamaicanized somewhat, you
Right,
know.
you're
So
right,
the Jamaican
right,
virgin.
right.
You know, go on Sunday.
you
know,
see,
somebody
I
got
don't
coffee.
want to see Jamaicans saying, you know, cleaning the floors and serving the coffee and being the barista.
So all
I
the
don't want to
places
see
are clean,
that.
all the places are
I want to
clean.
see Jamaicans owning the stores so that the finances are coming, the money is coming back into Jamaica and staying in Jamaica. That's what I would like to see. I'm just saying.
Well, Adam Stewart is a Jamaican, and he's one of the partners in this whole Starbucks. What happened to you?
You mean the gentleman that
What
owns
happened
the...
to you? What, you want some coffee? Need some coffee?
Anyway, moving
some-
along. I haven't had coffee,
I
actually.
need to go in there and I want to see some Jamaicans inside the store. I want to go in and say,
I'm sure you'll
Andrea,
see
what
many.
go on? I said, Duffy, why you good? I'm saying, yeah, mommy, there, my virgin. You know, more, I want
But therefore you
Jamaicanize
you
it
get
somewhat.
that everywhere you go, though.
I don't get that
You
everywhere.
get
I
that
go.
everywhere you go.
Nisha, yeah. Come
Oh,
on, come
you
on, man.
do?
Nisha.
Because we
Hold
love
on.
Duffy.
I smell something.
Ah,
Bad
don't you
mind.
there.
It's bad
Achoo,
mind.
achoo, 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 achoo. Always. So, okay. So,
Yeah. I mean, do you guys like coffee? Who likes coffee? If you like coffee, hold up
they
your
are.
hand.
I don't know
Okay,
about
some
that.
people-
I
No,
think
hold on.
coffee
Make up
should
your
be-
mind. You like coffee, you don't like coffee. Because he was like halfway.
Would you guys go to a Starbucks coffee if it was? No. Who said no? Yes. Very nice. Why we said no? Throw it at me. Throw it at me. I know we don't have a mic. Throw it loud. Pardon?
The microphone. Tell the microphone. It's right there.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years
That's
old.
right.
What did you just say? You're 17 and a child? We need to
Yes.
record that and put that out there.
But that is very true.
Because a lot of young girls now are 17. Me a bigger man.
Just turned 17, so I'm still a child.
That's
Clapper, the
right.
clapper.
Right. Representing Mr. and Mrs. High School.
A party and a cocoa bread just for you.
Yes. Right. So, okay, on Wednesday night, the charity Jamathon Caribbean Love took place in aid to help build back our neighboring islands that have been affected by Hurricane Irma and Maria.
The 34 top reggae and soca artists performed, and when reggae superstar Beres Hammond, when Beres ran out, you know, because his name is not Beres Hammond.
It's very
Beres, when he took the stage,
Superstar Hammond,
the
yes.
icon, his fans were screaming, Beres.
I saw that. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at part of his performance. Here we go. We have a nice
I'm not
little
going to
video for
scream
you
like that
guys.
again, though. It don't sound good.
You lost your voice?
It never sound
Like a
good.
girl? She's our You're standing in my way.
Nobody's not standing in your way.
That's right. Push them down, yes?
Wow.
So, I didn't say that. I didn't mean that. Not at all, not at all, not at all. So, guys, the show is over, but donations are still not over, right? They can still be made via CaribbeanLoveNow.org. Ooh. Now, what is that I hear? Who is that?
Fly the gate and let in the pirate.
Welcome, Richard and Ravon Butler, who are here to talk about their 5K run in aid of World AIDS Day. All right, let's get some cheers for the guys.
Come on,
Yes, let me
come
go.
on.
All right,
Come on,
all
come
right,
on,
all
come
right.
on.
I'm going to move over here a little bit.
Yeah. We shuffle over.
Shuffle over. We're shuffling. We're
shuffle over.
shuffling. We're shuffling.
You know you call that good Jamaican hospitality.
See that? TVJ, turn up. You see
No,
that?
daytime live.
Hot.
Know this though. If it's my house, somebody come and not getting up.
Why not?
Why not?
It's my comfortable.
Okay, so we don't have very long. Tell us, when is World AIDS Day? World AIDS Day, and why did you guys decide to run?
Well, World AIDS Day is December 1st, but we're having the 5K on the 2nd.
Right.
In significance of
2nd of December.
2nd of December, yes.
Right.
All right, so the 5K walk run is a project that we do at Trout Teachers College. So every year, we seek to donate funds to the mustard seed communities. So they have a home that's called the Dare to Care Hospice. So they take care of children living with HIV and AIDS.
Wow.
So it's a part of our annual events that we do at the college. And this year we're doing a 5K walk run on December 2. Yes.
I'll be
Tell
doing
me a
that.
little
I'll
bit
be
about
doing
the
that.
statistics of the virus in Jamaica.
Well, we are not fully aware of, but know that it's about 75% of persons between the ages of 28 and 60 has it in Jamaica.
Go
At
again,
least
go again, go
50%,
again. 75%
Of persons
between the ages of
25
uh-huh,
and 60.
and 60.
Yes.
So there are 4 of us here.
Don't do it, though. Don't do math.
No, that's why
Don't
they,
do it.
that's why they.
I'm just saying
don't do it.
75% is what? 3 out
It's
of
a-
4.
it's-
Yes,
a lot.
It's
So
a lot.
it's
But
like
we don't have a
very
lot of
alarming.
time, so we're going to move past that one. Tell us, give us some information on how to sign up and exactly when is it? Because we want persons
Alright.
to be involved
It
as
is
many as
December
we can.
2nd,
December the 2nd?
starting at 6:30, warm up at 6:30 a.m.
Uh-huh.
and the race begins at 7 a.m.
How do we sign up?
To sign up, you go to www.5k.
STC5kwalkrun.weebly.com.
Yes.
You can also visit the campus if you're close by. We have application form on us right now if you want to sign up.
Okay.
It's 500 for students and 1,000 for
And
outsiders.
that's
Where's
at
the
Shortwood
campus?
Teachers
Shortwood
College.
Teachers
Where's the
College.
campus?
77
77
Short
Short Road. It's close to Stella Maris and Manor Park.
Oh,
I know
yeah, we
it
go-
well.
go
That's
this one,
awesome. All right,
go
thank
this
you guys for
one.
popping in. Daytime pass through. We love it. Daytime Live will be right back. Join us after the break. Thanks, guys. Sorry about that.